up? We just got done doing a press conference over here.
Oh, can you hold all of us?
In Japan.
Can you hold up?
At Sony. And everybody's excited for the interview or the show. And
Oh my God. Yeah, close the door.
It's only the beginning.
Japanese crowd, they love that kind of like, not just playing music, like joking around, like make them laugh or make them cry, you know, or like get some dialogue going with them. They eat it up.
We love you, Japan!
Diamond City, Japan. Common Kings, we're about to set up and get ready for sound check.
We are at sound check now for Island Fever 2013. And yeah, we're just getting started, facing lighting and stage preparations for the show. I'm excited.
Konnichiwa, arigatou gozaimasu.
We like to call him B, aka the Harajuku Ninja Turtle. Yurika Momosen, Odaiba, Zep Tokyo, Kyo, Honjutsu, Island Fever JP, represent Daihyo, Cool Runnings. Haha, come on, that's a movie with the Jamaican bobsledders. Yeah, rewind. It's the Common Kings, the Common Kings. Haha, the Common Kings, the Common Kings. My Uso, the Common Kings, the Common Kings. My family.
Island Fever 2013 in Tokyo with the boys, Common Kings, Poly Movement, Team Poly, Team Bless, always.
She can't stop, ain't original. Always on the clock, running like a track star. Shots off the block, think it's gonna last. Ain't nothing but talk. She's a professional, easy to get, but impossible. Gonna make you sweat. Now you're trying to tell me, baby, I am the one. Shooting kisses got me saying, damn, baby. Sometimes you come home to me, yeah. But when we together, still feel so lonely. Why you wanna waste my time? 'Cause it feels so bad, but it feels so good. Tell me why you wanna waste my time. Tell me why you wanna waste my time. But it feels so good to me, baby. Tell me why you wanna. Tell me why you wanna. Tell me why you wanna waste my time. But it feels so good to me.
Japan, Tokyo, mad.
Welcome to my world, baby. Woo!
Three of the 7 of Common Kings,
Yes.
right? Now you guys are not the common ones. You are the extraordinary ones. You're the kings. The common ones are out there, right?
The royal ones.
Tamanta and Junior is going to kiss the girls on the cheek, and of course Janelle will
Kiss.
kiss the
Either one.
Either one.
We're out here in Guam at the Ghana Shopping Mall. We just got done with a nice meet and greet with everybody. Got to meet some real cool people. Got to sign some autographs.
What up, world? We're here at Simon Sanchez High School, about to go and give a talk about not bullying. We don't want you to bully, because that person could come back and blow your school up.
Hey, me and the man behind the lens is about to attack that beast right there. First one that screams loses, you know what I'm saying? Living your life in Hana Hope, baby.
Common King, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pull up to your house. Pretty girl is all I see. Loose in the mood. Malibu the remedy. Vibe in the club. Sexy thing, I got to have it. No need to rush. Gonna get it automatic. Have you ever been there? Have you ever made it to the top? Baby, let me take you to my
USA represents Boom Bomb Conner Kings.
You might fall, you might fade when you're hurting inside and your heart's not the same. Leave the doubt and the blame, 'cause there's one thing I know, so just let me explain. Your sweet, soft complexion, kissed by the sun, an image of heaven. Girl, you know you're the one. So believe me when I say this, your reflection, girl, I promise, is worth more than you know. You're perfect to me. Don't ever change what you see in the mirror. In the mirror, that girl you see means the world to me. In the mirror, in the mirror, don't be shy or afraid, 'cause that feeling inside they can never take away.
Flavor, hip hop hits and R&B, hanging out with Huddy on the drive-by.
UFM, it is the hottest hip hop and R&B. That's the one and only Common Kings right here on UFM.
Finally, the Common Kings are in the building. I have been waiting all week. In fact, that's a lie. I've been waiting a few months now since I got word they were coming out here to Aotearoa for the first time, but definitely not the last time.
Yeah, spacing out of class, I knew it wouldn't last. I'm so over this damn day. Wanna quit my job 'cause I hate my freaking boss. I know it's 5 o'clock someplace. Yeah, someday when I'm a little sober, I think of all the things that I'ma be when I get older. But now I do what I want, and if you think I care, I'm telling you I don't give a damn anymore. I don't give a damn. How could I care that much about a girl? I just don't give a damn. I'm not begging for your love, so I throw my 2 cents up, 'cause I don't give a damn anymore. No. La da di da 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 di da 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 da. La da di da 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 di da da.
We just got done with an interview with Nico from UFM out here in New Zealand, man. It was off the chain, and New Zealand's ready for our music. Common Kings, baby.
Good vibes all the way from the US. Here's Common Kings with No Other Love.
I can take you to the kingdom, my lady. Place you on the throne if you're ready. Never gonna leave you, I'm staying, girl, next to you, because there is no other love like this. No, 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 no other love like yours. No, no, no other loving, no. You're the chaser till my crown roars. Body like a cold bottle. And with every drink, I can never think how smooth you go down, yeah. Baby girl, I love your flavor. You're the rock star after they digger. Southern comfort when I need to be held. So in love with you, girl.
It's your boys Common Kings. We're over here at Westside Barber in Oakland. Docs Entertainment in the building. Peter Guns, Clean Cut. All the fellas, Westside Barbers. Come check him out. Don't miss out, baby.
Yeah, my whole life, baby. We're about to finish this match that we started in Guam. You ready? Let's go.
up, everybody? We're out here in Darling Harbour, Sydney, Australia.
We are the world. We are the children.
Hand over your booty at once.
That one's on camera. Look, ha! Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Randy Watson. Change ran himself. I feel a change is coming.
Change is gonna come.
Change is coming.
Change gonna come, yeah.
Australia, sing along.
Oh, what's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Yeah. Two shots from the bar and I can see you now. 3 shots in the dark. Man down, loaded clip talking, all I hear is click clack clap. I need the light, the light, the light. Soldiers from the block, they rocked it downtown. Run it from the man as they search the compound. He's rising, lights flashing all around. I need the light, the light, the light. Right up on the man inside it. Stand up to the man united. Wake up the man lit by the blinded. I need the light, the light, the light. Huh. Stand strong, the masses firing to bring me down. They're terrorizing, that's bad, don't make a sound. I'm sweating, breathing heavy, just stay calm. I need the light, the light, the light. Now I have me a son and as he gets older, I want my head